of online shopping is exploding. More and more people are choosing to buy things online. This means big opportunities for businesses with online stores. In 2024, online sales are expected to reach $6.3 trillion. That's a huge number. It shows just how popular e-commerce is becoming. But this also means more competition. It's not enough to just have a Shopify store. You need to make it stand out. Think of it like a busy street with many shops. How do you get people to notice your shop? You need a way to attract them. That's where Shopify SEO comes in. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's how you make your store show up higher in search engine results. When people search for products you sell, you want your store to be one of the first they see. Imagine typing handmade jewelry into Google. You'll see pages and pages of results. Many online stores are selling handmade jewelry. How does Google decide which ones to show first? That's where SEO comes in. Google uses special algorithms to rank websites. These algorithms look at many factors. They consider things like how relevant your website is to the search term. They also check how user-friendly your website is and how many other websites link back to yours. If you don't understand SEO, your store can get lost in the crowd. Your potential customers might never find you. This means fewer visitors to your store. Fewer visitors mean fewer chances to make a sale. That's why understanding Shopify SEO is crucial in 2024. It's the key to unlocking more traffic, more customers, and more sales for your business. Let's talk about keywords. Imagine you're selling organic coffee beans. What words would people type into Google to find your product? Those are your keywords. They are the words and phrases people use when searching online. Keyword research is about finding the best keywords for your products. You want keywords that are relevant to your products and have a good search volume. Search volume means how many people are searching for that keyword. But you also want keywords with low competition. Low competition means fewer other websites are targeting those keywords. This gives you a better chance of ranking higher. There are tools to help you find the right keywords. Google Keyword Planner is a free tool. SEMrush is a paid tool with more advanced features. These tools can help you find those hidden gem keywords, high traffic, low competition, that can give your store a real edge. Section 4, On-Page Optimization. Fine-tuning your Shopify store. Now that you know your keywords, it's time to use them on your website. This is called on-page optimization. It's like dressing up your store to impress customers. First, optimize your product pages. Each product should have a unique page. Use your keywords in the product title, description, and URL. But don't stuff keywords unnaturally. Write for humans first, search engines second. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly. More and more people are shopping on their phones. If your website is hard to use on a phone, people will leave. Website speed is also important. People hate slow websites. Make sure your website loads quickly. Compress your images and use a good web hosting provider. Section 5. The power of backlinks, building authority and trust. Imagine other websites linking to your store. It's like getting a vote of confidence. These backlinks tell Google that your website is trustworthy and valuable. Think of it this way. You're more likely to trust a restaurant if several friends recommend it. The same goes for websites. Backlinks from reputable websites act as those recommendations, boosting your store's credibility in the eyes of search engines. How do you get backlinks? One way is to reach out to influencers and bloggers in your niche. Offer them a free product to review or propose a collaboration. You can also get backlinks by writing guest posts for other websites in your industry. When you create valuable content that others find worthy of linking to, it naturally boosts your store's authority. Section 6. Content Marketing, your 2024 SEO powerhouse. Content marketing is like inviting people into your store for a conversation. Instead of just showing products, you're providing valuable information that helps them. Create blog posts, guides, and videos related to your products. Use your keywords naturally in your content. Don't just write for search engines, write for your audience. For example, If you sell hiking gear, write a blog post about the best hiking trails in your area. This provides value to your audience and gives you a chance to naturally incorporate relevant keywords. When you create engaging and informative content, people are more likely to share it. This can lead to more backlinks, more traffic, and ultimately, more customers. Section 7. Ready, set, rank. Your journey to Shopify SEO success. Mastering Shopify SEO takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. By understanding keyword research, on-page optimization, backlinks, and content marketing, you can make your store stand out in the crowded e-commerce world. Start by implementing the tips in this essay. Track your progress and see what works best for your store. SEO is an ongoing process, and staying updated with the latest trends is crucial for long-term success. Have you tried any of these SEO strategies for your Shopify store? Share your experiences in the comments below. Stay tuned for more advanced e-commerce tips to take your store to the next level.